Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to build a bubble wall. First, decide on the ideal size and placement for your new feature. Consider using aquarium-grade acrylic for strength and clarity. You'll need an air pump, tubing, and waterproof sealant. Thoughtful planning ensures lasting satisfaction and safety for your custom bubble wall. This initial stage is where creativity meets practicality, setting the foundation for a stunning display. Next, focus on building a robust base and reservoir. The base must be strong enough to hold the entire weight of the bubble wall and water. Use water-resistant materials for the frame. The reservoir needs to be completely sealed to prevent leaks, so apply a continuous bead of certified waterproof silicone along every seam. Also, create a discrete space within the base to house your air pump and tubing. Now it's time to assemble the acrylic panels. Carefully attach them to create the main body of your bubble wall. Install the air system by securing the air stone or diffuser along the bottom inside edge. Connect the air tubing to your pump, ensuring even bubble distribution. Use a high-quality, marine-safe silicone sealant on all internal seams to guarantee a watertight enclosure. For the final steps, carefully fill your bubble wall with distilled water, filling it to about 1 inch from the top. Turn on the air pump and check for leaks, adjusting the bubble intensity as needed. You can customize your wall with LED strip lights for a captivating visual effect. Remember to clean monthly and replace distilled water quarterly for optimal performance and longevity.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.